Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vonda and I'm very glad you're here. Today is March 18th, but I'm still wearing green from yesterday. So this is, did I put these back on? Yes, I did. Am I going anywhere? No. So, tomorrow's payday. And it's time to check the fridge and see what we can make. I already know, but I'm going to show you. In the freezer, frozen cabbage, some potatoes, patties, hash browns. What is that? Coffee, chicken broth. What's this? These are frozen green chilies. What's this? This is fish breading, chicken breading, ginger root. I got some grits. Just a little bit of Prego in the jar. And some baking soda to make my freezer smell good. What's this? Oh, cream of chicken soup. That's from a recipe I made the other day. I only made half of the recipe, so I have the other half in here. We got a broccoli. That's going to be laid out right now. Got a few carrots. Got some frozen vegetables to make vegetable broth. I got some black-eyed peas, some ham hocks. What's this? Oh, that's frozen celery. I need to cut up my celery that's in the refrigerator and add it to that. And that's it. That's it for the freezer. And when I was going through the freezer yesterday, I looked at my ice cube trays and every one of them was empty. It had defrosted. All of the ice cubes clear gone. So I got them out and washed them all up, nice and wonderful. Filled them up. I need to wipe out the freezer now. I'll do that later. Let's see, we got milk. We got some bacon fat. I cooked a cardboard pizza last night, so I made some homemade ranch for that. We got a little bit of salsa, my bottle of water, some more baking soda to make things smell good. I have 7 eggs, some beef bouillon, a couple tablespoons of sour cream, and my fruit punch cold drink. That aluminum foil is celery that needs to be cut up. The top little container, that's some scrambled egg and a hash brown left over from breakfast. I cooked too much, so I'd have some left over for tomorrow. And there's some, oh, that's some Mexican rice. I'm going to put that in the freezer. Velveeta, 1 orange, 1 lime, every mustard and tartar sauce and horseradish sauce that I can possibly keep. And we got mayo, we got pepper jelly, we got the chili garlic paste. I love that. Tabasco. I couldn't find a Coke, but I did find a Pepsi the other day, so I'm sipping on that. Grape jelly, Parmesan cheese, real lemon juice, fake lemon juice, sesame oil, white corn syrup, sweet Thai chili sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce. What's this? Oh, sriracha. Down here, Worcestershire sauce, Texas Pete, Country Bob, ketchup, some Heinz chili sauce. I need to get some little Smokies or homemade frozen meatballs and mix some jelly and chili sauce and use that up. But it's also good on scrambled eggs, real good. Got a little syrup, Heinz 57 for roast beef. Only time I eat is when when I have roast beef. I got soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, and hoisin sauce. And those drawers are bare. And look, Annie said, the cupboards are bare. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor doggy a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare, and little Annie didn't get none. But she got to go camping and eat peanut butter. Okay, what do we got here? We still got the Crispix baking mix, charcoal lighter, mashed potatoes, stuffing, minute rice, and cavatappi pasta. Top shelf, now bare. Corner, now bare. I got 2 different kinds of tortilla chips. They keep stabbing the roof of my mouth. So I eat some and then I gotta lay off them for a while. I got oatmeal, brown sugar, powdered sugar back there. I got some self-rising flour back there. I got whole wheat flour. I have some huge pasta shells back there. And some masa flour. I got popcorn, an assortment of crackers, and a sugar-free Jell-O. We got a panko, and evaporated milk, and what is that? That's pimentos. Peanut butter, and sliced peaches, or sliced pears and peaches. Saltines. What we got here? We got some tomato products. Crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, and a fire roasted tomato, and a Rotel tomato. We got whole potatoes, and I think a pinto beans. Yeah, pinto beans. And here's 2 cans of cream of chicken. And you know, it ain't the Campbell, so... Oh, this one's chicken noodle soup. I keep that on hand in case I ever get sick. And every once in a while I'll eat it and put it in a new can. You know, try to keep Jell-O and noodle soup and some kind, you know, like a fruit that digests easy, like the pear there, things like that in the cabinet in case I ever get sick. Then I don't have to ask somebody to go get it for me. I've already got it. And mashed potatoes. That's another one, a good one to keep on hand for if your tummy's ever upset or you're sick and you want something mild. Okay. So, oh, what's down here? We have some potatoes. And some sweet onions. And some garlic wrapped in plastic, and some vegetable oil. Okay, we got some antifreeze, rock salt. What's over here? Briquettes. Okay, all right, you get it. You get the idea. Annie. So, we have noodles, we have tuna, we have cream of mushroom, our frozen broccoli, and Velveeta. Do we have butter? Oh no. Well, that's just gonna have to be it. I'll use the butter spray to keep it from sticking, to give it good flavor too. Yeah, that's what we got going on. Tuna casserole. Well, here's the finished product. Ta-da. It's cooled a little bit, so I'm going to taste it. Good morning, everybody. What is today? Today is Thursday, the 20th of March. And as you notice, there is the dog's crate. Yes. The last time I left her and went to town, I came back and she peed 3 different times and pooped 1 time. So I had rugs to clean. So it was obvious she had herself nervous and all over the place. So she's going to be put in her crate and forced to relax and look out the window and see if she can see something. When I just leave the room to go across the hall, she follows me. If I go to the refrigerator to get a drink of water, she follows me. If I go to the bathroom, as soon as she realizes I'm not in the room, she follows me. We switch out laundry together. We do everything together. She has a little separation thing, you know. Well, I understand that. I am pretty fun to be around. And bye, Penguin. Bye, Chef. And I'm watching Penguin and Chef. This morning I need to do a Walmart pickup. I need to stop at the Dollar Tree because there are a few things I need there that are cheaper than at Walmart. Some things I was able to get at Walmart for cheaper. I need to get Annie's registration. That'll be about, you can go 1 year for $5, 2 years for $8, or 3 years for $10. So I got to do that. Have her tag. I got her rabies paper with me, so I'm good to go there. Let's see, what else did I need to? Oh, I got to mail a package. I had ordered something from Amazon, and it was the wrong thing, so I got to send it back. So, and that takes a while when you go to the mail store to send back a UPS package. So, I got my makeup here, and I'm just gonna talk and everything. We'll talk about oh, my face is on fire. Feels like it's on fire. I got to get gas and smoke. So yesterday that was not possible. I was way too tired, but I did find the time, or the energy. I'll say the energy, not the time, because I got plenty of time. But I did have a spell where I felt I had a little energy, and so some moisturizer here. So I raked up some sticks that were all along in the yard that they were in the fence row, and my little friend got them caught in her lead out there, and they was getting closer to the house and in the house or apartment, so we had to get rid of. I raked up some of them and just tossed them over the fence. It wasn't a big production. I was still in my pajamas. We've been eating leftovers because we're down to bare bones. And so we've got some interesting videos coming of saving money meals, and you know, what was cheaper and blah blah blah, yada yada yada, for us. What was best for us. And what else? Oh, I can't even remember. She needs another bath because she must have had a lot of dry skin, and so when I brush her, I still see, some leaves from rolling in the dirt. So I want to be sure and, give her another bath and get all that dander scrubbed off really good. It's tough to be that itchy skin, I bet. I'm not doing my hair today. I'm just going curly. Just don't feel like it. Let me throw in some cliches that you hear over and over once it gets started on YouTube. If you know, you know. It is what it is. If you've been around a while, then you know. Little blush. I don't need to contour today. I'm just wearing pink. Pink slacks, pink top. Pink sweater, pink, 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 pink. Stupid compact. I don't know what this is. The dang lid came off and it won't go back on, and it's such a pain in the wazoo. There it goes. But it won't stay on because it broke. People are trying to test me. Applying makeup blind. Oh, I have to get glasses. I went to the eye doctor on Monday and they checked my eyes, and it's time to change the prescription on each eye. So I picked out some gold frames very similar to what I already have, just a little bit different shape, a little bit different side arm. I got to put some money on that. So they won't order them until they have, I don't know, have them paid for, or money down on them, something. Well, the old gray mare don't have much money. Not with buying an expensive dog. Taking her to the vet. Oh man, I touched my nose. Here if you're putting on mascara, you have to make the mascara face. I can't see what I'm doing. I need new mascara. Oh, poke my eye out. I need new mascara. Well, let's see. Let's see how bad it is. In a little tiny mirror. That's good enough. That's good enough. Okay. I'm not going to paint on any eyebrows either. This is just going to be it. So on with our day. Well, I'm back from getting groceries. I went to, I had to make many stops. I had to stop at the mailbox store and mail back an Amazon package. I had to go to the treasurer's office and get Annie's dog tags, get her registered. I had to stop at the eye doctor and get put some money down on my glasses and my appointment. And I went to the Dollar Tree and Walmart. And then I stopped at McDonald's to bring some lunch home because I'm starving. And this time I put Annie in her crate, so I didn't come home to a bunch of, you know. We'll work on that. Anyway, I'll show you what I got. We'll start with McDonald's. I got a number 1, that's a Big Mac with fries, and a half and half tea with no ice. Because I won't drink it all at once, I'll put it in the refrigerator and I don't want it to get watered down. And I got 10-piece chicken nuggets to put on salad tonight, and of course treat my baby, my little Annie, to some chicken nuggets. We got the bag of Doritos. I got 2 1-pound packages of Blue Bonnet. I can't afford butter, so I'm going to margarine. I got some nacho cheese, salsa con queso. Got a green pepper, some green onions, 2 cans of cream style corn, 2 cans of mixed vegetables, 2 cans of cut green beans, 2 cans of the diced potatoes, and 2 cans of black beans, a package of spaghetti, some of these, package of spaghetti, and some of the Moderna pasta to make fideo, sopa fideo. It's like Mexican rice, only it's a noodle. There's my little Caesar salad that I'm going to have a chicken nugget in for my supper. 2 bananas. This is a new creamer I wanted to try. Splenda. Pineapple Crush, or it's new to me. A small mayo. These assortment of crackers are very, very good. 2 cans of evaporated milk. A salsa. 2 enchilada sauce. 2 cream of chicken soup. And a liter, what is it? 2 liter, I don't know, Vonda, I just don't know. It's 2 liters. 2 liters of Sam's Cola. And then I got my dog some food, some wet food for Sunday, some vegan treats, and what are these? Burger minis. I have 2 extra large burritos for a special recipe coming up. Some ground beef. What is it? 80-20? Something like 85-15. 12 ounces, not 16 ounces, 1 pound of bacon. I got a half a pound of sharp cheddar cheese. 2 packages of Fiesta blend cheese. The smoked sausage, I get the skinless kind, so it doesn't hurt my stomach. And then I always have to get the mild cheese slices, mild cheddar. A loaf of bread, a carton of cottage cheese, a carton of sour cream, a dozen eggs, a rotisserie chicken. I have some recipes coming up, and they call for the canned chicken, like you're gonna make a Dollar Tree meal. But that is so expensive to get the number of cans you need when you can get the rotisserie chicken and have double the meals for the same price, like $5 or $6. So I'm going with the fresh. It's good economics, yeah. 1 package of cream cheese, some half and half for my coffee. These Gorton's crispy battered fish fillets. I cook them 1 minute longer than it says so that there's not that white creamy stuff under the crispy breading. And I love them. That white stuff, floury, eggy thing, I hate that. And some bologna. I thought I was ordering 1 package of 8 poop bags. but I just got one roll for $1. So I messed that up a little bit. Some Polident to clean my partial, some WD-40 for this sliding glass door. I have been battling that door. I'm going to have to clean the track really good, degrease it, and then I think the rollers have picked up dirt and mud, and you know, it's just binding it up, and it's so hard to close. So that's my chore for tomorrow. My one thing I'm going to do tomorrow. Some generic trash bags. And from Dollar Tree, what's it say? Wipe your paws. Guess where that's going? That's going at my sliding patio door. And it's heavy so the wind can't blow it away. Okay, some chili. That's for one of my upcoming videos. Sweet pickles. They had sweet pickle relish, but it was hot sweet pickles, and I didn't want that. So, or pickle relish, but I didn't want hot relish. So I just got sweet pickles, and I'll grind them up. Their kosher dills are so good. I'm not a fan of a lot of dill pickle at all, but I like theirs. Some Velveeta sauce, the jalapeno one, and an original one. I see nachos in my future. A bag of marshmallows. You know, I got that box of Crispix cereal. I'm going to make them into some kind of little treats, and I needed marshmallow. And somebody said that Dollar Tree had like, excuse my breathing. I get nervous when I'm talking very much, and I'm very hot, and I've been rushing around for hours, and my back's getting tired. So I'm kind of like trying to squeeze everything in here, and it's a little bit painful. So excuse me. Anyway, the Red Lobster biscuit mix. That's what this is comparable to. So I got something coming up for that. And this barbecue sauce. Oh, I just love it. It made the best barbecue chicken the other day. And then they also have the Pillsbury cheddar garlic mix. So which one's better? We don't know, but we're going to find out. A box of sponges, some sausages for my little Annie, and along the fence row out there, realize I'm gonna see if I can get some zinnias. We pronounce them zinnias back in Missouri, but they're zinnias. I'm gonna see if I can get some flowers to grow in somewhere. 2 rolls of paper towels. Look what I got to put on the door so Annie won't keep walking into the patio glass door. So I thought that'd be fun. I got one of these knee things, so when I'm giving Annie a bath and stuff, you know, I have something to put under my titanium knee so it doesn't go through my skin. So, and I was talking to Carol at Plain Vanilla Grandma, and I was telling her about these exfoliating scrubbers for your back, and they even have some with like an elastic band on each end so you can, you know, scrub your back in the shower. And these mitts, you know how you could just get flaky skin and you want it to come off. Like even behind your ears, it might feel kind of tacky. Like, is my skin clean back there? You know. Anyway, these are great. These are great for scrubbing and getting flaky skin off, helping your back exfoliate. Or get another one and put lotion on it, and put lotion on your back, and you know, things like that really help. And some dinner napkins, some spray. What is this? Vanilla tropical or papaya? Vanilla papaya. Some Ajax cleaner. You know where you keep your toilet brush in the bathroom? I'd like to put a little bit of that in there so it always, you know, is ready to go, and you know what I'm saying? And it won't be like just like germ heaven. And I got 3 of these moisture absorbers that I put in closets. I'll put one in the laundry room in my storage closet. I'll put one under the kitchen sink and one under the bathroom sink. And so any excess moisture with summer coming up, these are super. So, hi baby. She hates the camera. Say hello to the big wide world. Smile, you're on candid camera. Okay, that's it for me. I'm out of here. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye.